Today I'm making my riced cauliflower. First, I'm going to peel the leaves from the cauliflower. Then I'm going to cut out the core. Then I'm going to separate the florets into small pieces. Next, I'm going to put the pieces of the cauliflower into the food processor and pulse until the cauliflower resembles rice. I do this in 2 batches so I don't overload my food processor. My cauliflower is perfectly riced and it's ready to be cooked. Now in a preheated pan, I add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I add the cauliflower, mix it with the oil, then sprinkle with salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, and garlic. You can use as much as you like to your own desired taste. Stir to combine the ingredients, cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now just top with chopped green onions and serve.